Alright, we just finished our DJ gig, so look at Jeff, he's falling asleep. He's so tired playing in all the songs, so now we're gonna go and try to get this elevator going again. Here's what it looks like. Wait. Wake up, Jeff!
Oh, it's over? What happened?
See, I loaded everything in here, including him. So, here we go.
We're in the elevator ride?
Yeah. Okay.
I want to push the button.
I'll let you push the button, Jeffy. Hold on a second. There we go. Down with that. Down with that. Try it.
Here we go.
Hey, it worked the first time. All right. That was simple enough. Nope. No problems with the elevator this time. Here we go, outside. All right. So, wasn't that much of an adventure right now. See ya.